cracking open one of these Ravnica Remastered collectors. Good old Niv Mizzet right there. Or, for those of you who prefer Ms. Nivet, like my third grade science teacher. Oh, they have a tear slot. Well, oh well. Remember for next time. Alright. So we got a Blind Hunter and a Balustrade Spy. Petrihydrox. Pestilent Petitioners. Gate Colossus. Orzhov Guildmage. Loaming Shaman. Alright. Oh. Nice. It's a beautiful card to get in that land slot. Nice little shock. Or is... No, that's the retro. That's... Okay, well there you go in a back and forth. Right? Farseek. Got a Krenko's Command. Split. Revival. Revenge. Got a Mizzet's Mastery. Oof, it's pretty. Not foil, but a borderless breeding pool. And Rakdos. Yep, foil. Jesus Christ, these are hard to tell. Not very foily. Alright. Thanks.